2016 Lexus IS 200t. Really nice car. You guys can see. Factory converter up here. Then it wides out into two secondary converters there. Then two resonators with a aftermarket X pipe or a factory X pipe. I don't know why I said aftermarket. Factory X pipe there. Two resonators. Then it goes down to 1 3, like 1.5 inch pipe almost on each side, there and there. Then we added 2 inch pipe on each side, there and there. Out the back into some black 4 inch tips to complete the look. Came out a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, as you guys can see. There it is, right there. Did a rear muffler delete. There's the two mufflers that were on it. We cut them off and replaced with these beautiful beasts. Anyways, please guys, make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. We really need you guys to subscribe. A lot of people have been watching but not subscribing, so please subscribe. Muffler delete. Not bad. Not too much, just clean. That's nice. Again, Lexus IS 200t. Here's sound decibels. Again, right at 90. So it's not too loud. It's not going to be too overbearing. Go ahead and back it out. Think? I like it. It's different. Just clean. As you guys notice, we're not going for loud no more. Now we're doing clean sounds for you guys. So enjoy it. Before we go back to the loud. Let you guys hear on the inside. Lexus IS 200t for turbo power, and you still get 37 miles to the gallon. That ain't bad.